We'll guide you through how to use slowly fade transition Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create smoother and more professional video transitions without complicated editing skills. Many beginners use Wondershare Filmora and need clear guidance to control transition speed, making their videos look more polished, engaging, and visually pleasing for platforms like YouTube or social media. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can start editing without issues. Then double-click the application to open it, and wait until the interface appears. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK. Next, click Import, then select 2 videos that will be used, and click Open. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section. Then select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format. Adjust the duration of both clips so they are the same. Next, adjust the size of both videos in the Preview section. After that, click the Transition menu. Click the search column, then type Fade and press Enter. Select the transition so the result only uses a fade transition. Then drag and drop the fade transition between the 2 videos. You can preview the result to see how slow and smooth the transition appears between the 2 clips in the timeline. If it is not slow enough, right-click the transition, then click Duration to adjust the timing according to your preference. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Then click Save to apply the changes and update the transition timing in your timeline. Preview the result again to see if it matches your needs and gives the smooth effect you are aiming for. Repeat the process again by increasing the duration, for example to 10 seconds. Then click Save to create a slower and more gradual transition effect. Set the timeline to the beginning of the video, then click the full screen icon. Click the play button at the bottom left. Preview the result to clearly see how the slow fade transition works between the clips, and observe how smoothly one video blends into the next.